Hello, students. Basically, doing a test webcast here, but we're going to learn how to log on to our Blackboard accounts. The first step is you need to go to Internet Explorer here. Click on that. And I have a few other things up, so it's going to take a while to load. While we're waiting for that. There we go. Now, if your window, there we go, pulls up like this. Okay, and it's connecting right now. Alright, and again, it's a little sluggish because I do have a few other programs running, so keep that in mind when you're doing this. Alright, so you want to go to FCPS 24/7 Learning. Alright, and if you're wondering what all the laughing is, that's people laughing at me screwing up on my podcast, but that's okay. So we get to the FCPS 24/7 Learning. Yeah, say now. See, teachers are just as bad as students are in class as well. Trying to get me to squirt milk out my nose or something, I don't know. Yeah. But you get a username, alright, which would be your ID number. In my case, it's my first initial and last name, so Collis, C-O-L-I-S. Then he'll have a password. If you haven't had a chance to, what it'll do is you'll enter in your old password and it will prompt you to reset it. So, if not done, you're already logged in. You've already done that. You just type in your password. So, alright, you'd hit enter and click, and here we go. Now, a couple of things you can do. You can actually modify the content, modify the layout. So I've got mine on kind of a nice green thing here. If you go to courses, it'll bring up your courses here. Right, I've got a whole bunch here. Mine's going to look a little different than what yours is. But if you go to the front of my FCPS, you can actually have my courses up here by modifying content. If you click on that, it'll show you what kind of comes up. Alright, it'll take it a few seconds, minutes, hours. There you go. And you can, check on what you want up there and decide. Alright, you can use a breadcrumb trail to go back. So if we're wanting to go into Collis World History Geography 1 for this year, click on that. And it will take you to my site. The announcements, syllabus, staff information. Most of the thing you're going to use is the assignments. You have student tools, but if we look into the assignments, typically I try and do them, post up with the calendar, any review packets or formative assessments on early man, how to do a split screen. So if you're working on an ebook assignment and wanting to type, but typically these are going to be under first quarter assignments, second quarter assignments, notes, any external links, a vocab database, cool video for the Mesopotamians. So, just kind of neat, some neat stuff on there. Alright, so once you're done, if you need to go back to the main page, you can follow what's called this breadcrumb trail up here. Click back, it'll take you back to the main page. Or if you need to go back to a different course, you can click on my FCPS. Alright. Click on it again because I'm impatient. There we go. And it'll take you back there and you can select a different class. Alright, and once you're complete, you just log out. And if you're done, then all you do is just click the X up there, which is close, thus ending this session.